Do you know what is the biggest misconception in sales? Salespeople think that they are company's employee. And this changes their entire approach. You will observe in their meetings, you will observe in their calls, in their emails, that they'll keep talking about their own company, their products, their service, their features, functions, and all those kind of things. And that's the reason customers inquire, come to them, but they don't buy and run away. Do you know what is the fact? The fact is you are not a company employee. You are a customer employee. The day you start thinking that, your entire approach will change. You will realize your job is not to talk about your company and products and features. Your job is more of to understand your customers, their needs, their expectations, their problems, their requirements. And the day you start doing that, you will see automatically your conversion starts rising. You will get more sales and you will get more recognitions from the customer and the company as well. So do that and you will never regret that you don't have enough sales, you don't have enough customers.